Welcome guys, welcome to our mode survival. Today we are going to keep doing same as we are not going to build our house, sorry. But we need to mine some gold. Open to lane cheats on start and world. If you want to survive, you need to work in the day and night and day and night and day and night and day and night. In the morning and get some cat food and poop on the toilet and done. Oh yeah, it's true. You need to work day in the day and night and day and night and day and night. In the morning and get some cat foods. No, and get some foods and poop on the toilet. And which means you're the victory. If you poop on the toilet and the toilet's the last thing we need to do. We're just kidding. You think I'm so bad? No, I'm not. Wait, what is that? What? Nine. Bum, bum, bum.什么呢？什么呢？什么？什么呢？什么呢？什么？Gold。什么呢？什么呢？什么？ Oh yeah. So today we are going to mining. When we are mining, must be very careful. I don't want to die in zombies or creepers or spiders, some things. So we need to be very careful on them. But I don't need to care. Here. Oh, here. Worst. I don't like here. Wait, let's see if the black things can be mine. And chimney. Kill me. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. So, what do we need to do right now? Okay. Oh yeah. Let's go to mining. Mine some golds and irons. Irons are important. If you don't have iron, you cannot survive. Because iron is the important. It's the most. Correct? It's the most important. TV. And not the mine. Yeah, maybe he's here. Okay, let's go to mining a little. So I will pause the video for a moment. Okay, welcome guys. I'm back. So let's go. Oh yeah, I hate this. I hate this. Really. Wait. No. Okay. Okay. TP. Wait, it's already 10 minutes. I had no talking so long. So let's come back here and keep doing something. This time. I knew it. Here's some irons. Yeah, I have no coal. Yeah, I only come back once. Kill. Let me get some torches so we can keep searching for maybe some diamonds. Okay. I got. Okay, let's go back here. We go back here. Oops, skeletons again. I will take off this and this. Okay, let's go. Okay. It's just right. What the? Something is weird. How there's so many skeletons? Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh. Where's my obsidian? What the? My obsidian is gone. No. 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 Oh yeah. Here's something. Here's something that I need. You. I need you. You are the most important things. Oh yeah. I don't want those. So, give me some of this. Okay, let's pause the video. Okay, guys. I pause right there and mind them. I don't want wasting any time of it. Now it's time to pause our videos and prepare for next videos. Maybe it's 2 or 3 days after, or maybe it can be tomorrow. I'm a person who always loves to record a video. So and dead man. Oh man. That's hard to kill. Certainly most creepers are always hard to kill. Because you need to always be careful about don't let it bomb like some things of yours. Maybe if you see diamond.